This is likely one of our last runs.
One of them.
Yeah. There and back.
There and back.
Ooh, 2 Corvettes.
I like the white one a lot better.
Yes, because it's not a convertible.
And no chrome wheels.
I think I might follow that guy. Not like I have a choice.
Hey, they're gonna be out at night.
Ooh.
I'm low-key down to come out at night. Just see what
Okay.
the culture's like.
It feels like I have the heater on.
Oh, it's the girl. Wow, that's hot. That's cool.
A little dip back and forth.
Or like when you let off or something, it goes.
Yeah. It is at higher RPMs.
We in Tennessee now, boys. 3, 2, 1. Tennessee.
There you go. Oh, that's what that is?
Yeah.
I actually didn't know that.
We can't even voice before. Oh, yeah.
Somebody is booling.
I think that's the bike. Holy scheisse.
Out here with the missus. Yeah, it's like there's really just old guys out here who think their life is more important than everyone else.
It's a very small pull off.
Yeah, but people can see me from here. Oh, that's my cue. No, it's not.
Oh, shit.
Shit, what?
No, like sparking.
Oh. They're cooking.
I know. Man probably wants to get his black one right about now.
I know, it's like I don't want to die catching up to this guy.
I would appreciate not killing him as well.
Plus, I'm pretty sure there's less grip than there was yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday was hot as balls.
power steering.
No way. Really?
I definitely just did. Should I check my belt?
Yes. shit.
Yeah. Oh my
Wait, is this
god.
the thing you were talking about?
No. Service vehicle soon. See it. God damn it.
Just pull over here. Holy shit, your thing is so hot. Something's burning.
Shit. Oh, it's the ATSV.
Whoa!
Coolant over temp?
Whoa!
What happened? What
It
happened?
is boiling over. Oh my god.
Oh shit. Oh wait, this is burning too.
Oh my.
I should have it on coolant temp instead of... Oh, I think my belt broke. Oh, shit.
It did. Your belt broke.
Oh, frick. Did anything else bad happen?
Yeah. Or...
But like, is it like destroyed? The belt's like everywhere. And it must have like hit all this stuff too. God damn
Why
it.
are we so unlucky? Your car is broken, my car is like dying.
It's like everything, all things considered, that guy did tell me that my belt was gonna go out soon. But
Now we have to get it towed, right? We can't drive this.
bruh. Yeah. God damn it.
Shit, I should have brought my car.
But the belt just broke. So that's good. Well, good.
It'll probably be like terrible to drive back.
I need to let it cool down.
Because nothing's cooling now, right?
Mm-hmm.
Shit.
It's also not charging the battery now.
So we have like a couple shots of starting it.
No, the battery's not dead yet. I'm gonna make sure everything else is off. But do you have jumper cables or no?
No.
Oh, frick, yeah, it's like leaking coolant all over the ground. I'm gonna turn off my hazards and stuff.
What if both our cars are leaking coolant?
That would suck.
What about?
God damn it.
We have no signal.
Do you have any signal?
Mine says SOS.
Same.
Should we like flag?
I'm gonna take this off.
Alright guys, we are now having to walk 3.5 miles on the tail.
Yeah.
There's the Corvette. Sad times, battery died. Hopefully someone can hitchhike us. If not, we're fucked.